Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play I Love You 3000 on guitar. First, let's tackle the chords. You'll only need 4 easy open chords, G, C, M, and D. Make sure your fingers are curved and pressing down firmly just behind the frets. Practice switching between G and C, then M and D until it feels natural and smooth. This foundation is key. Next, let's get the strumming pattern down. It's a simple down, down, up, down motion. Think of it as a gentle, flowing rhythm. Keep your wrist loose and your strumming hand relaxed. Try to maintain a consistent tempo, even when switching chords. Practice this pattern on a single chord until it feels comfortable and natural in your hand. Now, let's put those chords into the song's progression. The entire song follows a simple, repeating 4-chord sequence: G, C, M, and then D. Play through this progression slowly, focusing on clean chord changes and a steady strum. Don't rush it. Accuracy is more important than speed at this stage. Repeat it several times to build muscle memory. You're almost there. Now, combine everything you've learned. Play the chord progression with the strumming pattern, aiming for a smooth, continuous flow. Once you feel confident, try playing along with the original song to get the timing just right. Remember, practice makes perfect. Soon, you'll be able to play I Love You 3000 beautifully on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.